What we're going to do in this video is go over how to add and connect an Instagram section in your Square Online site. I'm going to assume that you've gone into the Square dashboard, and then I go open it in a new tab and click Edit Site, also in a new tab. This is just how I operate. So what we're going to do is add this to the home page, which actually I've already added, but I'm going to remove this and add it again so we can go over it. Instagram feed, we're going to get rid of. And then this was just above the map, location and hours. So what we're going to do is click the plus, click add section, and then click Instagram feed. Now it might be somewhere else in this list, but just go and find it. We'll go into here, and then I'll show you a couple design things and then show you how to actually connect it. So design-wise, we have a couple of options. We can have it be a row of posts, full width, auto scroll. There's a number of options here, or we can have it be simply a grid, tell it how many columns and rows. We can also select a background, section, title, styling, etc. But we don't really want to do any of that, so we're just going to move it up to be in position with our, uh, in line with what we had before. Now we're going to go over here to connect Instagram. I'm just going to connect that. And this is going to ask us to log in. So we can log in with Instagram or we can log in with Facebook. What you'll do is just log into this account and then you'll be directed back. You'll have to approve it. You'll have to click, approve and all of that, but allow data sharing and things like that. But then you'll be directed back over to here and it will populate with the Instagram feed. Now, I came back to the page and it was expecting the Instagram API. It was expecting it to send something back, but because I simply closed the tab, it didn't. And so, what you'll do is just open this, log in, accept the data sharing, and then you'll be directed back over here and it will not show an error, hopefully, and it will show you the Instagram content. I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.